Come see Lyco Manufacturing at the upcoming IPPE show from January 30th to February 1st. Our exhibition booth 39137 will be located in Hall C. We will be showing our family of liquid-solid separating screens with over 31 years of experience and over 2,300 liquid-solid separation screens in the market. Let Lyco's application knowledge help you pick the right solution for your specific need. We will be featuring the following for this year's show. For poultry offal, our rugged low-maintenance single and double drum internally fed screens. These units have cast and machine running rings that are built with a heavy-duty plate for the main frames and are the lowest cost of ownership screens on the market. Also come and check out Lyco's patented smart machine monitoring systems. For beef and pork slaughter, harvest plants, pet food, and further processing meat plants, Lyco has externally fed screens that are ideal for applications with a lot of hair, fat, oils, and greases, where an externally fed screen fits the application better than internally fed screens. Lyco's water reuse system saved our customers over 3 billion gallons of water in 2022. We call this system our sanitary zero maintenance screen, and it is ideal for in-plant applications. This system comes with a big return on investment and helps you meet your sustainability goals. Lyco's sous vide heating and cooling solutions featuring our chill flow pouch coolers for chilling hot-filled food service or institutional pouches. So if you would like to learn more about Lyco Manufacturing before the IPPE show, please visit our website at www.lycomfg.com or call our office at 920-623-4152 and ask for a sales representative.